Students, let's deal in brief with the chapter Constitutional Design through my PowerPoint presentation. It is one of the important chapter of the political science of class 9. In the chapter we shall deal with the constitution of the two countries, South Africa and India, and the chapter provide us the importance of the constitution for any country and why the country used to formulate constitution, what are the needs and objective of the constitution we have discussed in the chapter constitutional design. The chapter begins with the case of South Africa. We all know that South Africa had been a colony of British since the period of 18th century. Like that of India, South Africa was also a colony, and a large number of white people had settled in South Africa and became the local rulers. And what they did in South Africa, they not only colonized the people of South Africa, but they also instituted a system that was a very oppressive system known as apartheid. Under this system, they used to discriminate the people on the basis of the color of skin. The native people of South Africa were of black complexion and they were greatly disregarded for that. They were humiliated by the white settlers. Basically, in South Africa, three ethnic groups were found: black natives, white settlers, and colored people. Particularly, the Indians belongs to colored people who came to South Africa for work. So the feature of apartheid was very oppressive for the colored people as well as for the black people. The system oppressive for the blacks. They were the colored people as well as the blacks were forbidden from living in the white areas. They were segregated. They were separated. They could not visit the church worshipped by the whites. They could not form any association. They even did not enjoy the right to vote in their own country. Then, against the policy of apartheid as well as to achieve the independence of country, we all know that African National Congress was formed in South Africa in 1912. It was an umbrella organization. Umbrella organization means that anybody can become the member of this organization without any distinction and discrimination. This organization had many workers union and communist party. Many sensitive white people also joined the ANC to oppose apartheid. Nelson Mandela was a very prominent figure in South Africa who fought not only against apartheid but also against also for the independence of South Africa. Nelson Mandela, just there's a brief description of Nelson Mandela. Struggle against the system of segregation and colonialism. He was not the founder of African National Congress. He was one of the prominent member of the African National Congress, and later on he raised to the raised to the leadership of the African National Congress in 1944. Became its president in 1952. He started the guerrilla movement to seek the objective. In the beginning, he used to follow non-violent method, but later on he decided that he thought that only through the violent method we could be able to oust the foreigner from our motherland. However, in 1962 he was arrested, sentenced to life imprisonment. See, Mandela later on, after the independence of South Africa, Mandela became the president of South Africa and he remained the president till 1999. And in 1997, Constitution came into effect of South Africa, which is considered to be one of the finest constitution of the world. Then, what are the objectives for constitution? For any country, say, it generates a degree of trust and coordination. It specifies how the government will be constituted. It lays down limits on the power of the power of the government. It prevents the government to become autocratic and dictator. Then, it expresses the aspirations of the people about creating a good society. It ensures the majority group does not dominate the minority. define the nature of country's political system. It guards our national interest, does not allow dictatorial or biased decision by the government. The constitution is a safeguard, can be considered as a shield to protect the rights and freedom of the people of any country. So the making of constitution is must for any country. It not only determines the political system of any country, but it also ensures the rights. It also ensures the protection of the life, liberty and property of the individual citizen. Then in one of my videos, we have already discussed about the making of Indian Constitution. So there is no need to make discussion. You just see the slides of the Indian Constitution, which was formed by the Constituent Assembly. It took almost 3 years to complete the Constitution. So just see the slides, the important features, the working of the Constituent Assembly. You all are aware. We have already discussed about it. Preamble, you all know about preamble of Indian Constitution. It was introductory part of the Indian Constitution. Preamble was designed by a painter, Ram Manohar Sinha. It was designed by Ram Manohar Sinha and it was drafted. This is not designed, just correct it. Drafted. Preamble was drafted by B.N. Rao. Preamble was designed by Ram Manohar Sinha. Preamble was drafted. Okay? It was drafted by B.N. Rao. It was made by B.N. Rao. Okay? It declared India to be a sovereign, secular, socialist, clarified the objective of the Constitution. It also stated the date of the adoption on 26 November 1949. Acceptability of the Indian Constitution. We have accepted the Constitution without any objection because of its features, which included the interest of each and every section of the society.